One of my favourite sounds in the world is the wind rustling through the trees at this time of year in the summer, and the birdsong just filling the air around me. And I ask you to become part of that. So to take a moment now just to be still. Let your shoulders soften and let your breath slow so that your body knows that for these few moments there's nowhere else you need to be. Now imagine yourself sitting beneath the trees, and above you the branches move gently in the breeze, and the wind passes through the leaves like a soft whisper, reminding you that life is always moving, always flowing, always changing. Listen now for the bird's song. Each note is light and free, and each sound a small reminder that beauty still exists, even on the difficult days. Breathe in the freshness of the air and breathe out anything that you carry that is heavy. Let the wind carry away your worries, let the trees hold you steady, and let the birdsong lift your spirit. You are part of this earth. You are held by nature, and you are allowed to pause, to rest, and to simply be. Take one more gentle breath in and slowly release. And when you are ready, return to the room, carrying with you the peace of the trees, the softness of the wind, and the music of the birds.